Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Playing with Numbers. This is fifth question of its exercise 3.7. So the question says that determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So firstly हम इसका LCM find out कर लेंगे 8, 10 and 12 का. So ये हमारे पास 8, 10 and 12. Firstly 2 से 4, 5 and 6 again 2, 2, 5 and 3 again 2, then 3, then 5. So there are 1, 5, 3, then 1, 5, 1, then 1, 1, 1. So there are पास LCM least common multiple हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So ये हमारे पास 5 3 जा 15 2 जा 32 जा 62 जा 120. So हमें डिटरमाइन करना है द ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So 120 and multiple of 120 is exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. लेकिन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit number. So 120 10 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 1200. So 9th मल्टीपल हो सकता है. So हम चेक कर लेते हैं 120 9 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 1080. सो यहाँ हमारे पास 4-digit नंबर क्या है. सो इसका एर्थ मल्टीपल हो जाएगा. सो 120 into 8 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 960. सो 960 is the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Thank you.